Dear viewers, welcome to your own Prop Checkup YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the most common problem faced by the every Indian homebuyer, that is leakage in house. Leak can waste water, damage your house and also can cause the health issues because you cannot detect the hidden leakage in your house. Leakage may be due to various reasons such as faulty plumbing line. In India, approx 80% houses face the issue of leakage due to faulty plumbing. In the plumbing, there are multiple reasons for a water leakage. When appliances are installed, there is a seal attached near the water connector which can break or wear out due to age factor. Excessive or uneven pressure can strain your pipes. Most pipes and faucets can only withstand up to a specific level of water pressure. Any extra pressure could cause leakage. For next point, we'll discuss water tank leakage. The most common issue of a leaking tank is the age of the tank. The leak might be due to a tank movement over time. It sounds obvious, but your water tank may be leaking from inside where the cracks is available, or is there any fitting issue? There is a different solution for a different tank. Maybe it be a cement tank or a plastic tank. For the next point, we will going to discuss waterproofing damage due to poor construction times. Waterproofing is a critical element for protecting it and preserving its value. Poor waterproofing can fail, leading to crack, mold issues, and a structural defect like concrete cancer. Failure of your waterproofing can cause safety issues, significantly reduce the value of your property. Fortunately, if you can catch the waterproofing issue earlier than later, you could remedy the problem so it's as good as new. Next point, we will going to discuss corrosion of pipes. Problems with the pipe's integrity are usually deteriorated by multiple factors working together, while older plumbing systems are usually more at risk than newer systems. For obvious reason, even a new pipes can show sign of corrosion as soon as 2 years after installation if the right condition exist. It may also cause the health issues. For next points, we are going to discuss clogged or a block line. The might You might think that the worst thing that can happen to a clogged pipe is that it just sits there not working, maybe causing a pool of water in the sink or a tub. Did you know that the when you leave a pipe clogged, you increase the internal water pressure in the plumbing system within a pipes, and this can lead to cracking or even busting of pipes. Now you think how prop checkup would benefit you. We as a prop checkup company ensure that customer buying the property has no issue relating to his or her own property by thorough home inspection. So we do a proper leakage inspection with our expertise team of plumbing expert, civil engineer, along with our equipment like thermal camera, moisture meter, etc. and many more. So one can best way to protect your home from future leak is to understand and look for the real root cause inspection leakage through prop check. So one of the best way to protect your home from future leak is to understand and look for the real root cause of the leakage through a prop checkup. Thank you for your valuable time. Do subscribe our YouTube channel Prop Checkup.